Hello students, our today's topic is application of neural network. First application of neural network is neural network in practice. We can develop neural network that is a working model, and we can develop something similar that can work in different aspect of real time. For example, we can develop neural network for industries, for custom research, for data, risk analysis. So there are so many fields where neural network can be used. Let's start. Since neural networks are best at identifying pattern or trend of data, they are well suited for prediction or forecasting needs. Forecasting needs include self-forecasting, industrial process control, customer research, data validation, risk management, and target marketing. Right, so it can identify pattern just the way our brain can identify pattern. Neural network can also identify pattern, and to identify those pattern and decide or forecast something, forecast some needs, we can use neural network. Right, another is artificial neural network are also used in the following specific paradigm: recognizing of speakers in communications, diagnosis of hepatitis, recovery of telecommunication from faulty software, interpretation of multi-meaning Chinese words, undermining detection, texture analysis, 3D, three-dimension object recognition, handwritten word recognition, and facial recognition. So we know there are so many applications. Simple example is in our phone, they have this system to identify face and then unlock the mobile phone. In that, artificial neural network is used. This is just a simple minor example. If we want to develop something on large scale, neural network is best. Right, so for diagnosis of hepatitis is a life-threatening disease. So to diagnose that disease, we can use neural network. There are few symptoms for each and every disease, and if these symptoms are shown in any patient, we can identify and we can diagnose the disease. And for that, we can use ANN. And other is multi-meaning Chinese words. Now, Chinese words have multiple meanings of one single word. So to interpret in which sense that word is used, we can use ANN. Right? Texture analysis. So many applications are there. It is infinite. It is limitation of application of neural network is our imagination. It is beyond our imagination. We can use neural network in many phases, many areas. Right? Neural network in medicines. Artificial neural network are currently a promising research area in medicine, and it is believed that they will receive extensive application to biomedical system in the next few years. Okay, so neural network is very much beneficial and used in medicine because there are few patterns that are repeated over a time. If we look at the medicine, right, symptoms of any one particular disease is fixed, right? So that is pattern. And if we are working with pattern, neural network are best. So application of neural network in biomedical system in coming years, in future, is very vast. At the moment, the research is mostly on modeling part of human body and recognizing diseases from various scans. By scanning only, we can identify which disease that particular patient is having or suffering from. So we have such kind of modeling parts that that help to identify any problem in human body. Modeling and diagnosis the cardiovascular system. At the moment, the research is mostly on the modeling part of the human body in recognizing diseases from various scans. Diagnosis can be achieved by building a model of the cardiovascular system on an individual and comparing it with the real-time physiological measurement taken from the patient. Okay, so in this system, what are we doing? We have one particular cardiovascular system which we have scanned from one individual who is, we can say, fit and fine, right? Who is a healthy person. And what we will do, we can compare those measurement with one patient, which is taken at one particular time period, right? So it will be real-time symptoms, real-time measurement. So we have predefined set of measurement of one particular healthy person, and then we will compare it with that patient. And by comparing that, we can identify what kind of diseases are there in that particular patient just by scanning scanning his or her body. Neural network in business. Business is a diverse field with several general areas of specification such as accounting and finance analysis. Almost any neural network application would fit into one business area or financial analysis. Right? So neural network can be developed for businesses also. Right? So there are wide variety of areas where neural network can be developed just for business purpose. Right? For accounting, for finance analysis, we have specialized neural networks available. There is some potential for use of neural network for business purpose, including resource allocation and scheduling. This is the most difficult task if we consider any business. If we have to allocate resources, it is very crucial and important task. If you will not allocate resources properly, and if you cannot use the resources properly, then your resource will be wasted, right? So to make sure that that resource is used at its best use, we have to allocate the resource very properly, and it is crucial time. And second one is scheduling. So scheduling is also important to use one particular resource, for example, printer. So we have to allocate time schedule for each user to have access to that particular resource, to that printer. And for that purpose, we have neural network, which can do this work very properly, right, at its best. This is also a strong potential for using neural network for data mining, which is searching for pattern implicit within the explicit stored information in database. Data mining is something that you might have learned in subjects, but data mining is something in which you will find patterns for data that is stored in database. Simple example is bread and butter situation. When someone is purchasing bread, then it is most probably that particular customer will purchase butter also. So by analyzing such kind of situations, by analyzing such kind of data, we can put bread and butter in the same compartment. So this is what they do in malls also. ऐसे ही सब कुछ नहीं रख देते वो. They analyze pattern of customers, and for analyzing such patterns, neural network can be used. Next is recognizing and identification. In general, computing and telecommunication, speech version and handwriting recognition, in finance, signature verification and banknote verification. So recognizing will will be used in computing and telecommunication, where you have to recognize speech. For example, your system is unlocking by recognizing your speech or vision, your retina scan, or by your handwriting. So it has to be recognized, and for that neural network can be used, artificial neural network. In case of finance, you have to verify signature before passing check. Check को due करने से पहले we have to check for the signature, and we can verify signature using artificial neural network. Next is assessment. In engineering, product inspection, monitoring and control. In defense, it is target tracking, and in security, motion detection, surveillance image analysis, and fingerprint matching. Okay, so assessment. In what we will assess in engineering, we will assess and monitor for product, right? We will track target in defense. In security, we will check for fingerprint, and we will detect the motion and everything. So in assessment also, we can use artificial neural network. Okay, so our next topic in next lecture will be recurrent network. Thank you.